Welcome back to this channel. Today we'll be reading out the novel called The Magic of the Lost Temple. And here with me is Havisha Rathod and we will be reading out the chapter called The Story of a Stepwell. So shall we start, Havisha, without wasting for the time?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
The next day, I just set out for the farm with two helpers in tow. What is the meaning of tow?
तो
Tow.
में पीछे
In the tow.
मतलब कि पीछे लेके जाते हैं ना, जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल अगर कोई
Understood.
गलत पार्क कर देते हैं तो गाड़ी को उठा के ले जाते हैं ना टो में, है तो पीछे पीछे चल रहे थे. ओके.
It was mid morning, and the sun was shining brightly in the sky. Ajay and his helpers were planning to pluck pumpkins and then head to the nearest town to sell them. Nooni stood on the veranda and called. Wait, what is veranda?
आई टोल्ड यू ना, से वेरेंडा जो घर होता है उसके आगे का जो एरिया होता है ना उसको वेरेंडा बोलते हैं.
Veranda and called out to him. Ajja, I finished my breakfast. I want to come
Breakfast?
with breakfast. I want to come with you to the farm too. Chal, it is a hot and we will take a lot of time to finish our work. That doesn't matter, Ajja. I will wear my hat. I really want to come with you. I have only seen pumpkins in vegetable shops and they are never with the vines. Please let me come. Nooni persisted.
Persisted
मतलब
कि नूनी ने जिद किया, बोला.
और vines मतलब
Wine.
Right. The plant that grapes grow on, अंगूर की बेल. Okay, this one. Okay, Visha.
हाँ.
What was the meaning? The plant that grapes grow on. Seen pumpkins in vegetable shops and they are never with the vines. Okay? मतलब बेल के साथ नहीं देखा उसने. अलग अलग देखा उन्होंने pumpkin को, लेकिन बेल से जुड़ा हुआ नहीं देखा उन्होंने. उसको बेल बोलते, ठीक है?
हाँ. Please let me come. Nooni persisted. Ajja signaled for her to join him. Signal मतलब
हाँ,
इशारा
आगे
दिया.
आगे.
Nooni hurriedly grabbed her hat and Ajja picked up his umbrella. By the time the four of them reached the farm,
Four of them reached the farm.
four of them reached the farm. The work was already in full swing. There were hundreds of pumpkins of different sizes and shapes lying in heaps. Full swing मतलब
Full swing अच्छी तरह, मतलब पूरी तरह. The work was already in full swing means सब अच्छी तरह कर रहे, काम चल रहा था पूरा. Laziness नहीं था.
अरे गार्डन जहाँ ये pumpkins grow रहे वो पीछे वाला घर है क्या या
नहीं,
फिर
खेत में है.
खेत?
हाँ.
गार्डन नहीं है.
Farm means khet, not garden. The garden is in front of his house and backside. But farm little wider. ज़्यादा बड़ा है वो. ठीक है?
हाँ.
खेत, field
हाँ.
उसको बोलते हैं. Okay?
हाँ.
Next.
There were hundreds of pumpkins of different sizes and shapes lying in heaps. I just sat on a chair and started giving instructions about which batch to load on which pickup truck and which pumpkins to be kept separately to distribute to his friends. After about half an hour, things were moving smoothly. Nooni started talking to her grandfather. Ajja, do you know the story of the Somanayaka and the maidens that came down from the moon? Samanayaka and the maidens that come down from the moon? Ajja smiled. You must have heard this story from your grandmother. Is it true? Is that really how Somanahali got its name? Do you think that there is a well somewhere under the ground, maybe even below the farm or our house? Nooni, that is all hearsay.
Hearsay. You want to say what is the meaning of hearsay?
कहना. Hear, सुनना और फिर कहना.
No. Hearsay.
Hearsay.
सुनी सुनाई बात, दूसरों से सुनी बात जो असत्य भी हो सकती है. ठीक है? Okay? This is a good word. Okay, next.
ये गुड वर्ड है तो आपने इसे अंडरलाइन क्यों कर दिया?
ताकि later on you can refer it. आप इसको दोबारा देख सकते हो. Start.
No, that is all hearsay. I only know that our ancestors have told
See,
me.
pronunciation, see carefully.
Hearsay.
Yes, yeah.
Hearsay.
Okay.
That's all hearsay. I only know that our ancestors have told me. Ancestor मतलब पापा के पापा के पापा के पापा.
Yes.
And what did they say? Tell me, Ajja. I am dying to know. Ajja barked a few more orders and began his story. Barked. Long ago, there lived a handsome king named Somanayaka. He was brave, kind, courageous,
Courageous. बहादुर.
and very.
हिम्मत वाला.
I know that. Courageous and very generous. Generous means?
जो देता रहता है, ऐसे नहीं कि कंजूसी करता हो. जो है वो दे देता है, सबकी हेल्प करता है.
And very generous. His kingdom lay in the delta, मतलब?
डेल्टा में एरिया है, कोई डेल्टा, जैसे नदी का जो किनारे का एरिया है ना, डेल्टा, जहाँ काफी लोग रहते हैं.
He lived in the delta between the rivers Varada and Tungabhadra. Tungabhadra. There was a thick forest around the area, and many wild animals lived there. Sometimes they would enter villages and scare the people.
Clearly, Avisha, clearly you speak.
Sometimes they would enter the villages.
The villages.
Enter villages and scare the people, destroy the crops and eat the cattle. Cattle मतलब?
पशु, जानवर, कैटल होते हैं जैसे गाय भैंस वगैरह सब जो घर में पालते हैं, पशु.
हाँ. And eat the cattle. After a number of such complaints and no improvement in the situation, the king decided to hunt these wild beasts himself. 2 days later, he went hunting on his horse with his soldiers by his side. Soon he had left his soldiers far behind and lost his way. While searching for a way back, Somanayaka came across a hut where an old man was dozing on the veranda. Dozing मतलब?
नींद निकाल रहा था, सो रहा था, सो रहा.
There was nobody else around. The king got off his horse and waited for the old man to wake up. After some time, the old man opened his eyes. Somanayaka gently questioned him. You look a little unwell. Are you feeling alright? The old man shook his head. Isn't anyone here to take care of you? The king asked. This is my home and I am all alone. I have no family actually. I was planning to go to Kashi but I felt sick so I decided to stay back. Kashi matlab?
Kashi is a place name.
Kashi is very far. Why do you want to go there? It doesn't matter. I won't be able to go in my current state of health anyway. Somanayaka introduced himself. I am King Somanayaka. Come with me. I will take you to my kingdom and make sure that you receive the best treatment. The old man was surprised by the king's generosity and nodded. In a few hours, one of the soldiers found Somanayaka and all of them came back to the king's palace. The royal physician matlab?
Doctor.
The royal physician treated the old man and the king ensured that he was given good food and plenty of rest. The old man recovered completely within a month. And when he was fit to travel, the king called him to his chambers matlab?
Chambers में room. अपने room में बुलाया.
His chambers and said, here is some money. Take it and travel to Kashi. Use it to fulfill your desire. The old man laughed. I don't think I need to go to Kashi. Now maybe I can do what I want right here. Tell me, why do you want to go to Kashi? Somanayaka was curious. Oh king, I am an architect.
I am an architect.
I am an architect. मतलब?
Architect ने घर बनाते हैं, डिजाइन बनाते हैं, वो होते हैं.
घर बनाते हैं, buildings.
घर बनाने का डिजाइन बनाते हैं कि हाँ कि ऐसे लेआउट बन सकता है ऐसे।
हाँ।
जैसे ये घर बनने से पहले मैं अपनी कागज पे बनाऊंगा कि घर किस तरह से होगा, 2 रूम कहाँ होंगे, लेट बाथ कहाँ होगा, किचन कहाँ होगा, तो वो चीज़
हाँ पापा ऐसे करना पड़ रहा है ध्यान देखने के लिए, बीच में आ रहा है।
बीच में हो रहा है। ओके नो
हाँ अब ठीक है। आई एम एन आर्किटेक्ट. I have great plans to build a step well. Not an ordinary one. Not an ordinary one. But a well with
नॉट
beautiful,
एन ऑर्डिनरी वन।
not an ordinary one. But a well with beautiful statues. Ornate मतलब
आभूषण, जौहरात।
जौहरात मतलब
आभूषण ऑर्नेट होता है ना, कि गहने वगैरह पहनते हैं।
ornate pillars and 7 Shiva temples. And 7 Shiva temples. I have spent years fine-tuning my architectural plans and drawings. Some said that the king of Kashi is large-hearted and that he may be generous enough to fund मतलब
पैसा लगाना।
to fund my step well. But now I know that you are no less. Your devotion मतलब
डिवोशन बोलते हैं ना, कि जिस चीज़ के लिए आपकी इच्छा होती है, आप लगे रहते हो, ध्यान इसका आपका मन करता है, loyal होते हो।
डिवोशन मतलब भक्ति.
हाँ भक्ति, हाँ जिसकी सेवा करते हो।
यानी सेवा.
हाँ
डिवोशन मतलब सेवा. Your devotion and your generosity मतलब
जनरसिटी बताया था मैंने कि
हाँ.
जो देता है।
डिवोशन मतलब दोबारा थोड़ा और
डिवोशन बताया था, सेवा करते हैं ना।
जो सेवा करते हैं उन्हें डिवोशन
हाँ
सेवा.
हाँ।
And your generosity to a stranger has touched my heart in more ways than I can say. Sir, if you can help me with my dream, I will be honored. The old man opened his tattered मतलब
फटा हुआ बैग।
his tattered bag and laid out the drawings in front of Somanayaka.
हरिका
The drawings were immaculate. Immaculate मतलब
कालिका है। वेट
the drawings were
हाँ, the drawings were immaculate and the designs intricate। मतलब बहुत सुंदर थे।
immaculate मतलब बहुत सुंदर और
No,
intricate.
we'll see the meaning, Visha. Don't worry. Immaculate. Immaculate. एकदम साफ सुथरा।
Immaculate.
Immaculate. एकदम साफ सुथरा।
Immaculate.
Okay. त्रुटिहीन, परिपूर्ण, श्रेष्ठ। Okay. And the designs intricate. Intricate also you want to see?
You can say me na.
Intricate.
Intricate. जिसमें अनेक छोटे अंशों या जोड़ों को पेचीदा ढंग से जुटा दिया गया हो। उलझावदार, पेचीदा, उलझे हुए। इंट्रिकेट। ओके ओके विशा। लोग बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स थी ड्राइंग्स,
Complex.
बहुत साफ सुथरी और कॉम्प्लेक्स। मतलब कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें बना रखी थी एक छोटी सी जगह में।
Neat.
हाँ, नीट तो इमैकुलेट हो गया। इंट्रिकेट में बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं अंदर ही, लेकिन सब कुछ साफ सुथरी है। ओके
Intricate. So Manayaka was impressed. I would like to construct this in my kingdom, but it will require a lot of money. Then I will have to tax my people. Tax my people मतलब
पैसे लेते हैं ना उनसे।
tax my people, and I'm not sure that I want to do that to them, he said sadly. Please don't worry about that. I don't want you to start this work with diffidence.
डिफिडेंस को
Diffidence.
आत्म संशय, आत्मविश्वासहीनता,
मतलब
Diffidence.
जिसका आत्मविश्वास नहीं हो, डिफिडेंस।
जिसमें अपना
Diffidence.
भरोसा नहीं.
हाँ
With diffidence. If you allow me, I can help you a little. My entire clan of sculptors.
स्कल्प्टर्स
मतलब
जो बनाते हैं ना, जैसे मूर्तियाँ बनाते हैं, उनको बोलते हैं स्कल्प्टर्स।
sculptors is 100
स्कल्प्टर्स।
sculptors.
Sculptor.
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 स्कल्प्टर।
Sculptor. Slow में दिखा दो.
कहाँ पर स्लो?
Learn to pronounce.
Sculptor.
Learn to pronounce दबा दो. Sculptor.
Sculptor. Sculptor.
Okay.
Sculptor.
Shall we go ahead?
Sculptor.
Okay, next.
A clan of sculptor is a sculptor.
Sculptors. Sculptors. My entire
Clan
clan
of
of sculptors is
sculptors
100 miles away.
Is 100 miles away in another kingdom, but I can call them here. I also know how to search for hidden wealth below the earth. Do you remember the hut you found me in? Hundreds of thousands of golds are hidden below the earth.
Gold
there.
coins.
Gold coins are hidden below the earth there. I didn't share this information with you at the time because I didn't know you. But it's time now. Let's unearth the enormous wealth and use it for the construction of the temple. Then you won't have to tax your people.
Okay. This is the architect and this is the king. Okay.
कितना कार्टूनिक है ना
Architect.
हाँ कार्टूनिक हो रहे हैं ना पिक्चर्स. The king was surprised at this disclosure. He ordered his soldiers.
हमेशा clearly बोलो बेटा. यार ऐसा नहीं होता. He ordered. ऐसे word separate रखो.
He ordered his soldiers to unearth मतलब
Unearth मतलब
unearth
हाँ चीज निकालना अर्थ में से.
to unearth the gold coins. True to the words of the old man, the king discovered the hidden treasure. Soon, hundreds of sculptors came from everywhere, and the work began with great gusto. मतलब
Gusto. Enjoyment and enthusiasm in doing something. Gusto. Okay.
Gusto.
Okay, next.
with great gusto. Slowly but steadily, the work continued. It took the workers 4 years to complete the stepwell, but the temples were majestic and magical. Whoever saw the temples in its last stages of completion मतलब
पूरा complete का completion हो गया
मतलब
ना.
last stage of completion मतलब इसमें क्या
Last stage में complete होने के last stage पर.
यानी मर जाने के स्टेज पे.
नहीं. Whoever saw the temples in its last stages of completion simply stood and soaked in their beauty. मतलब कि ये टेम्पल जो कंप्लीट हो रही थी ना उसके स्टेज पे जिन्होंने भी देखा है ना वो सब सरप्राइज हो गए उसकी ब्यूटी देख के. ओके.
नहीं आखिरी में जिसने देखा है
उनकी नहीं टेम्पल बन रहा है. पहली स्टेज नींव डाला फिर थोड़ा और बना फिर कंप्लीट होने वाला था. So last stage of completion of the temple. Okay.
हाँ. Simply stood and soaked in their beauty. Soaked मतलब रोना है.
So मतलब ब्यूटी में खो गए वो.
Soak.
हाँ. उनकी ब्यूटी देख के सो गए. सोक. Okay.
Soaked in their beauty. The water source at the bottom had water so sweet that it tasted like nectar. A few days later, the old man handed over the temples to Sumanayaka and said, "My dear king, the project is complete. My dream is realized.
And my dream is
realized. मतलब
realized. Visha, say clear that word.
realized मतलब
मेरा सपना पूरा हो गया.
and my dream is realized. There isn't a more beautiful well in the south of India. But if I may
Desire.
if I may advise you like a father, listen to my words carefully. Water is a source of energy. If this source of water gets contaminated मतलब
मिल जाना कोई चीज़ से प्योर नहीं होता जिसमें कुछ कमियाँ हो जैसे कि पानी है आपके पास गिलास में अगर इसमें कुछ मिट्टी है तो कॉन्टामिनेट हो जाएगी मतलब कि दूषित हो जाएगी.
it gets contaminated, then our entire effort will have failed and the temple will no longer remain the way it is. Please make sure that people wash their feet before they come into the temple, and everyone must be allowed to take only one pot of water away. I request you to regulate this. Regulate मतलब रोज करो ऐसा.
हाँ
Regulate this.
रेगुलेट इसमें से कोई ज़्यादा नहीं लेना चाहिए, नियम बनाओ, रेगुलेट करो.
To regulate this. Also, please close the step well once every fortnight. Once every fortnight मतलब?
फोर्टनाइट को बोलते हैं 15 दिन, तो 15 दिन में एक बार.
हाँ. Fortnight. This one day break will allow the water to maintain its level. Never make an exception to this rule. Exception मतलब?
एक्सेप्शन में चलो यार ठीक है, आज ही काम मत करो, आज ही कर लो. आप रेगुलर करते रहो, आप फिर आज नहीं यार, रोज खेल रहे हो आप और आज नहीं जाते हो तो एक्सेप्शन कर लेता है. ठीक है यार, एक के लिए तो मना कर दो ऐसे.
Exception to this rule.
नहीं मैं ये रूल सबके लिए लागू है, और लेकिन कोई एक बंदे के लिए लागू नहीं है, मतलब उसके लिए वो एक्सेप्शन हो गया.
Exception to this rule. Follow my guidance and the monument will stay the way it is for a very, very long time. King Somanayaka promised to do so and proclaimed मतलब announce क्या?
हाँ.
And proclaimed in his kingdom. There exists a beautiful stepwell dedicated to Lord Shiva in our kingdom. People who would like to go there and perform puja can do so, but on one condition. They have to wash their feet and cleanse themselves before entering the stepwell. The water will be used for no other purpose except for drinking. Everyone can carry away one pot of water and no more. These rules are to be strictly followed and there will be no exceptions. The temples will remain closed on full moon nights and nobody will be allowed inside. So Manayaka wanted to make his people comfortable, so he ensured that there was another water body for them near the stepwell. People could bath there, change their clothes.
बात देर.
Bath there.
Yeah.
Change their clothes and then enter the stepwell. The news spread like wildfire. People came from all over the kingdom to see the architectural masterpiece and pay their respects to Lord Shiva. The well remained open on all days except full moon nights. Days passed and word मतलब
शब्द.
and word spread even
वर्ड्स नहीं है, वर्ड
and word spread even further. People started coming from far and wide and from different lands. A small tourist spot was set up near the stepwell and named Somanahalli. Despite the increase in the number of visitors, the well was kept clean and guards monitored the well and did the activities during the day. Vigilant officers were hired to take care of premises at night.
Take care of the premises.
Of the premises at night. इस सेंटेंस का मतलब क्या हुआ?
विजिलेंट ऑफिसर्स जो देखते रहते हैं ना कि भाई सब कुछ सही चल रहा है, विजिलेंट में देखना है ऐसे. विजिलेंट ऑफिसर्स जो देखते रहते हैं सही चल रहा है कि नहीं काम. विजिलेंट ऑफिसर्स वर हायर्ड, उनको किराए पे लिया गया टू टेक केयर ऑफ द प्रेमिसेस एट नाइट. प्रेमिसेस एरिया, उस एरिया को रात में ध्यान रखने के लिए उनको हायर किया गया. ओके.
हायर मतलब
किराए पे लेना.
किराए पे लेना मतलब
कि चलो आप 1 महीने तक काम करो, 2 महीने के लिए काम करो, हायर ले लिया ना, फिर उनके लिए पैसे देते हैं, वो काम करते हैं तो.
हाँ.
ओके. नौकरी पे लगा ना.
Or hired to take care of the premises at night. Months later, the king was blessed with a baby boy. He was named Shashi Shekhara.
Shashi Shekhara.
Years passed and the prince grew into a young lad. Lad मतलब
जो यंग लड़का होता है ना उसको लैड बोलते हैं उसे.
Lad, a young lad. Though he was smart, he was rather arrogant. मतलब
arrogant जो किसी की सुनता नहीं है, अपनी मर्जी से चलाता है.
Arrogant. One day the king decided to go for a 3-month pilgrimage with the queen to North India and handed over the reins of the kingdom to his son in his absence. The king told him, "My child, you are the future king. You must learn as much as you can from your experiences
From
and
your own experiences,
and
Havisha.
from your own experiences and from observing others' lives. You should be humble, respect people, and who are
And guys,
old and
And guys, में
who are people who are
respect people who are
older than you. Understand your subjects and make all decisions keeping their welfare in mind. Only then can you succeed and become a great ruler." Prince Shashi Shekhara nodded but didn't really care for his father's words. The king warned him about the rules of the stepwell and instructed his son to follow them until his return. Shashi Shekhara happily agreed. Once the king left the kingdom, Shashi Shekhara and his friends became the lords of the land. They were young with no wisdom and no authority to figure to
no
stop
authority.
figure to stop them. The prince's family
Family?
prince's friends told him, "Your father is very old-fashioned,
Old fashioned.
fashioned,
मतलब पुराने जमाने का है, पुरानी सोच है.
is very old-fashioned and hates to experiment. Decades मतलब
10 साल,
decades ago,
मतलब 10 साल, बहुत पुराना पहले.
decades ago, an old architect
1 decade means 10 साल. 20 साल means 2 decade, 2 decades, okay?
decades ago, an old architect did dictated some rules to
मतलब
him.
dictate मतलब बताना.
I know dictation होता है ना.
हाँ.
Dictated some rules to him, and he is following them to this day. If something happens, you have enough wealth to create another stepwell. Water is meant for fun. It will be wonderful to bath and swim in the stepwell. Why don't we do that in the next full moon?
Avisha, read it properly, Avisha.
Why don't we do that the next full moon night? When your father comes back, you can show him that there's nothing special about that old fool's rules." Shashi Shekhara got carried away by his friends' words and recklessly went on a full moon night to swim in the well. The officers at the entrance stopped him, but he arrogantly replied, "I am your ruler now, and the land belongs to me. I can make the rules as easily as I can destroy them. Nobody can stop me." He pushed the officers aside and went inside with his friends. They swam and played there, drank the water, made fun of old people, and came back to the palace. The next day, Shashi Shekhara made a new proclamation. The stepwell will be used as a swimming pool for the prince and his friends. They can come anytime they want. People can also take as much water as they want. There will be no rationing. Rationing मतलब?
Rationing.
Rationing मतलब?
मतलब कि कौन कितना ले जाएगा, ऐसे बोलते हैं ना. राशनिंग कि हाँ एक जने के लिए इतना होगा, तो बोला है कि कोई कितना भी ले जा सकता है, कोई डिवीजन नहीं है. ऐसे देखो,
Rationing.
सीमांकन, कोई लिमिटेशन नहीं है.
Rationing.
ओके.
कोई कम नहीं समझ में आया.
राशनिंग मतलब बोला था ना पहले, एक ही लोटा ले जाते थे.
हाँ.
एक ही लोटा ले जा सकते हैं.
राशनिंग मतलब लिमिटेड नहीं.
हाँ, लिमिटेड है. Keep your hand down here from here.
Okay.
And read.
There will be no rationing going forward. Within hours, people were carrying as much water as they wanted. Rich people carried more because they could bring a cart. In just 2 days, the water level started decreasing rapidly, and soon the epidemic occurred in the entire kingdom. People started getting high fever and vomited frequently. Epidemic मतलब?
बीमारी होती ना, भयंकर बीमारी. And vomited frequently.
The symptoms continued for days. No one realized that this was because the water had been contaminated. Contaminated. Nothing could cure the epidemic, and people started dying. Shashi Shekhara was taken aback. Matlab,
उसको सरप्राइज हुआ.
aback.
चौकन्ना
He
हो गया.
spent money freely to get the best medicines for his people, and yet he was unsuccessful at saving them. In 4 months, the kingdom was reduced to just a few thousands of people. He lost his parents, the kingdom's crop. He lost his parents, matlab,
उसकी बात अभी तक खत्म हो गई.
the kingdom's crop and his soldiers.
तो फसल भी खत्म हो गई, उसके सैनिक भी खत्म हो गए.
Shashi Shekhara now became worried about being conquered by a bigger army.
Conquered by a bigger army.
Conquered, matlab?
जीतना.
He hated the step well. He thought it was the root cause of all evil and ordered his guards to fill it up with mud. In less than a year, Samanayaka's beautiful kingdom was conquered.
Conquered.
Conquered matlab,
जीतना, जीता गया. जीता.
was conquered by his neighbors and all was lost. Ajja, is this really true? Asked Nooni. I don't know about this.
About?
I don't know, but this is what I've heard from my elders. We stay in the same Somanahali. Somanahali?
Somal is a place name, ना?
लेकिन सोमनाहाली ये उसी जगह में कैसे रहे? और एक वो होना चाहिए ना?
हैं?
सोमनाहाली में तो वो होना
अब
चाहिए.
बेंगलोर है, तो बेंगलोर रहेगा क्या? पहले कोई और रहता था, अब हम रहते हैं, है ना? वैसे ही समनाली है, isn't it?
When I was young, many people tried to locate the well, but with no luck. Maybe it is all hearsay, or maybe it occurred elsewhere. Maybe our ancestors made up this story because the name of our village is Somanahali. Who knows? But one thing is for certain. But one thing's for certain. Certain. Never disobey your elders. Words, if they ask you to take something seriously, it comes from experience. And don't forget, Nuni, we should use our natural resources like water carefully. Yes, Ajja, I know. I've always seen you take half a glass of water twice rather than a full glass of water and leaving some to waste. Ajji also doesn't follow me.
Follow?
Ajji doesn't allow me to
Ajji
have.
also doesn't allow.
Allow me to.
In first time you missed this word, the second time you missed this word. Don't miss the word, Abhisha.
Papa, it happens sometimes. Why do so scolding? Ajji also doesn't allow me to have a shower. Shower मतलब?
ना ना.
लेकिन वो तो नहाती है.
नाने ही तो बकेट में से पानी निकाल दो एक मग, ऐसे नहाती है. यूं नहीं कि फव्वारे में ऐसे चालू कर दिया और फिर बैठ जाए ऐसे और पानी आता रहे. उसमें ज्यादा पानी वेस्ट होता है ना.
Shower. Usually, she gives me only 1 bucket of water. Nooni added. She recalled
मतलब याद किया.
She recalled that there was no bucket in her apartment in Bangalore. But she only had the option to shower. Despite that, her mother made sure that Nooni got exactly 7 minutes to shower. Otherwise, the water would automatically turn too cold instantly. By this time, the pumpkin heaps on the trucks looked like yummy orange mountains.
Where is your mind, Abhisha? Written something or reading something?
Nooni sat in the front seat of the pickup truck with her grandfather. It was much cooler than her father's car, or so she thought. Within minutes, they were headed towards the nearest vegetable market. And Radhe Radhe.
Nearest vegetable market. Okay, that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you liked it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel.
Radhe Radhe
I'll see you in the next video with next chapter.